Business War Game, Breeze, is an interactive didactic system for teaching how to manage a multi-product company. This system works online, with transmission of data and communication between computers of students and wargame moderator. Students using this software decide not only on products, prices, communication budgets, and manufacturing, but also on diversification, on stock exchange, and even on building corporate holdings. There are 5 products for all sort of customers, covering a large range of technical characteristics and different prices. There are also 4 customer segments, having different sizes and different money spending capabilities. Students running Breeze use a built-in market analysis module with flat and cross-sorting of data. This helps to adapt best product offers to various customer profiles. Here is the main software screen. The upper part, with profit and loss statement as well as balance sheet, describes company condition. The lower part of the screen is the area where managerial decisions have to be made. They include choosing the characteristics of different products, fixing the volume of manufacturing, setting down the appropriate budget of communication, and defining the selling price. Every virtual year of simulation, students are required to take up to 30 decisions involving company marketing and finance. An additional decision sequence is necessary for investing or divesting on stock exchange. A special tool is permanently available for taking decisions. This is the built-in break-even module, which calculates the number of units of product the company must sell for covering her fixed costs. Each group of students manages a different company, competing with other students on the same market. There can be up to 8 competitors, and every of them sends his decisions to simulation moderator in the end of each of virtual years. The following year cannot start until all market players have not transferred data to moderator, since his computer has to compare them, and has to send back to students the resulting market situation. This market situation is the starting point for the next virtual year. Several tools are available as help for taking business decisions. As an example, students may use the module of financial analysis, with the key ratios of company they manage. They can also compare the achievements of their company to some results of competitors. For strategic business analysis, Boston Consulting Group, as well as sales growth market growth matrices are even available. They are automatically plotted for different products. In addition to numerical data, Simulation Moderator can electronically send to students his appreciations, marks, and advice. Here is an example. Besides managing their own company and competing with other market players, students can also invest and divest on stock exchange, and even purchase or sell shares of stock of their competitors. Holding is billed when a company purchases more than half of shares of stock of another market player. The company making holding is called parent, and students managing this enterprise start to manage also their newly acquired subsidiary. Owning holding subsidiaries is a source of profit for parent company due to collected dividends, as well as to possibility of reselling acquired holding components with gain. However, additional profits can be made also by synchronizing strategy of different companies included in holding group. For example, differentiating quality of similar products sold by different holding companies, modifying selling prices of such similar products, manufacturing more products in subsidiaries who have lower variable costs and less in other being more expensive, and sharing resources owned by different holding companies.
Let's talk about War Game Moderator now. This academic teacher can be located thousands miles away from his students, as Breeze works as distance learning system. Each of those students can also work anywhere in the world. The same data on computer screen are available for all members of the group managing the same company, however only one of them can act as chief executive officer. His main duty consists of sending final decisions to War Game Moderator, in the end of each virtual year. War Game Moderator has the full insight into all students' data. He can also send questions and appreciations to each of them. He manages the length of simulation, and has even the possibility to modify War Game degree of difficulty, in real time. What are marketing and strategy topics covered in Breeze? They include not only basic concepts, as demand, price, quality, products differentiation, and mass market strategy, but also cannibalization, experience effect, and relationship between market share and company growth rate. Breeze is also a very practical illustration of such concepts as profit and loss statement, balance sheet, variable and fixed costs, fixed assets depreciation, and financial ratios. As far as stock exchange is concerned, students learn also principles of trading, practice of investment portfolio, dividends payment and collection, and even management of holding companies.
There is no more efficient way of teaching company management than business war games. Learning by doing is always much better than learning by listening or learning by reading. Computer simulations provide to students immediate and measurable results of their work. Contact us if you want to experience this in your university. Or charge us to run Breeze with your students. We will take care of all operations, including didactic assistance, and will provide the results they achieved.